This tagger takes a tissue sample for BVD testing as you tag the animal. The metal spike in the male tag is for taking the tissue sample. Be careful not to touch the cutting edge. The top jaw has an opening for the male tag. Press the thumb catch to insert the tag and then release to secure the tag. Load the female tag next. Lift the lever to position the tag. Position the tags so they don't block your view as you're tagging. Swing the male tag inside the tagger. The female tag should be on the outside. The best place for a tag is in the centre of the ear, between the two ribs. The male tag goes in the back of the ear and the female tag in the front of the ear. The metal spike and tissue sample is left in the tagger. Take the vial out of the blister pack and open the lid. Place the vial in the bottom jaw and carefully close the applicator. Steady the applicator against something solid as you squeeze. It helps to push down with your other hand. You will feel and hear the vial click into the spike. Push the thumb catch to release the sample and place in the plastic bag provided. Complete the form and the sample is ready to submit to the lab.